Hello, Greg, running up here off of just east of 28th and Hamilton. I got up here quick because I got a sense that about 3 houses were about to be demolished, which they are. As you can see, holes have been cut in the top of this one, a tactic they often use when they want to burn a place down. The air comes right up through it and fans the fire. I don't know if that's what they're going to do, but they're taking 3 beautiful homes here, and even if it's eminent bully domain, if they look a little west down Hamilton, you'll see what has happened in the city's case of bulldozing houses to put up business. The property just sits. Now you can see this lawn is set for pretty quick demolition. This one, they don't care about the yard and stuff. They're planning on demolishing 3 houses here in the immediate future. You can see there Hamilton Boulevard and Hy-Vee. What do we got? 240 on that house, 254, 230 there. Now they have means and ways to keep this from becoming a story. They control the traffic going through. They have federal employees in the area. They get it done very quick. The homeowners or owners, too often I put together, have no choice in the matter. For whatever reason, the city or the government already has control over them. And in this case, when they're being bullied, most times they're afraid to tell, because what happens in this country when you raise your voice, too often people become incarcerated or dead. I'm not one of them, or afraid to be, so you don't have to worry about me. Let's get some specs. Hello, federal employee, your big stupid yellow light. Why are they so quick? There's still people's trash in that garage. Why are they so quickly? I doubt that. These look very freshly lived in. And we got big demolition trucks up there. Oh, look at that. Isn't that cute? Got a plastic bag over the seat. Wouldn't want to get the demolisher's seat dirty. Oh, she's creating fresh death. What do we got here? What's this federal employee with a yellow jacket doing over there besides hiding? Not very well known. She's a big lady. Still got the antenna on the house. Got long lines, buried cable markers there. Yep. Looks like it might not be lived in now, meaning the people felt compelled to leave very quickly, but all this person's property is up on the porch. They're clearing it for demo, immediate demo, from my experience. This will be going up on my YouTube site along with all my other social media super spaces. If you want to watch it there and share it, please, at your free will. Uninterruptible power supply. I bet I can interrupt it somewhere. This is in Sioux City, Iowa, on the near west side. Today being 10th, 2017. It's mid-morning. I can't really do much more than post this to hope these structures stay where they are. I guess there's not anybody doing anything to it now, so please share this video and let's all do our part to make sure this kind of shit stops. Thank you.